Hello everyone, welcome back to another Chairside chat. I want to talk to you a little bit today about rubber bristle brushes. Try saying that after a glass of wine at like 9 o'clock when I tried to do that last night at my webinar. It didn't work out for me. Rubber bristled brushes. You know them, you've seen them, our patients have been using them for years, but they're these little guys, these little toothpicks on steroids, or the evolution of the toothpick, if you will. So TePe has a version out there called the TePe EasyPick. They're gonna come for practices in this little cute box, and there's two sizes. So you have orange, it's going to be the smaller, and you're going to have the blue, which is going to be slightly larger. And so you'll have this for dispensing in the office, and then the patient will get it like a 36 pack, and there's a little travel case in here so they can put this in their pocket. And these are really fantastic because I keep them just about everywhere, car, bag, and at my desk. But rubber bristle brushes are really great for our patients because they are going to give them something to do on the go. They're easy to use, so patients tend to accept them a little bit faster. And also, they're great for gingival stimulation. And this is something that we don't really talk about a lot. You know, rubber tip stimulators you don't see them much out there anymore, but gingival stimulation is really important. And so these are going to be great for doing that. So disrupting that biofilm after lunch, on the go. I mean, they literally can be on Instagram swiping away and cleaning between their teeth. So easy. So what's great about them is that these are going to be silicone coated. They're going to have little nubs. I'll see if I can put like a picture there, but they're going to be nubs. So they're not going to be spikes that can be pulled off or pulled away. So it's going to have a plastic core and a silicone coating. They're very long. Obviously, I'm just here like messing with them. They're very flexible. And they're, again, going to be in two sizes. So extra small is going to be orange, blue. Right here is going to be your medium large. And again, encourage your patients to do them. If they're not doing anything between their teeth, these are a great start. And I always call it like the gateway cleaning tool, because once they get started on this, they get some of that inflammation to come down, which is what I just did with my patient earlier. They came back for their scaling and root planing, and they had openings in between their teeth, and they were so excited about that. So give this a try. EasyPick from TePe. Check it out. Hope you guys are enjoying Chairside Chat, and let me know if you have any questions at all.